So you came to the right video. The surefire way to gain video views and subscribers on your channel is to be the answer or solution to the question or problem people have or that they're currently searching for. Someone is trying to figure out how to do this, how to do that, or where can I find the best this. YouTube is a search engine just like Google. People are now going to YouTube because they want to see a tutorial. They want to see someone actually do something that they don't know how to do. So if you can find in your niche how to do something that's not already out there or explained, or maybe you can explain it better, be the answer, be the solution, and that way when people are typing up on YouTube how to do something or anything that they have a question on or a problem on, your video populates in the top search results because you are giving the answer that they can't find anywhere. Your channel is guaranteed to grow in views and subscribers.